Welcome to our tutorial on the PDAC greenhouse gases emission calculator, or GHG calculator for short. The purpose of the calculator is to support mineral exploration companies in understanding the impact of federal carbon policies on their operations. The federal government has two carbon policies, one that is relevant for large emitters, which emit above 10 kiloton of CO2 equivalent per year, and it is an output-based scheme. The other policy is relevant for small emitters such as exploration companies, and in which the tax is based on input fuels. This is the policy by which our calculator is guided. The carbon pricing in this scheme is $80 per ton of CO2 equivalent, and it is expected to increase by $15 per year until reaching $170 per ton of CO2 equivalent in 2030. The calculator is designed to capture the majority, over 75%, of the emissions produced by a company's exploration stage activities. This includes 4 project-level activities: drilling, camp power, transportation in company's owned vehicle, and commercial travels to and from the project. And in addition, the calculator enables to separately measure emissions from the commercial travel in the corporate level, which are not directly related to the project. Now, see our next tutorial, how to fill in the input data.